fast one or a manual screwdriver. Set the distiller on its back with the turn on knob on the top, and we're going to remove the lower panel. It's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws in it. We removed some for faster demo, but they should be going out easy. When you go to reinstall the panel, don't tighten the screws all the way. You first install them all into place and then tighten it when all screws are already inside. Okay, once the panel comes out, the motherboard will be right easily accessible. It's connected to the body with 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The best way to do this is to take a picture on your phone where the wires were. The only wires you really have to worry about are these 3 wires. You can mark them where they go with a marker by placing, usually what we do is we place 1 notch on this, 2 on this, 3 on this, and I'll demo that in a second. You can even do it before the picture. You can mark one like that, one like this, and another one with 3 markers. Okay, after that, it's super easy. You take this, you pull them out, they will come out. So now these are out. You take these out, you undo these, just pull them up, and that's it. You unscrew the 6 screws, take out the motherboard, put the new one in, and then you just simply put it back together.